Ever feel like you're hustling nonstop, but somehow your money just melts away? I know the feeling. But what if I told you there's a way to bring order to all that chaos, using lean principles that actually make your finances and your life a whole lot simpler? Let's start with what matters most. Value. For me, it's not just about numbers. It's about what money does for my life, my family, my future. So I pay off debt, build up savings, and focus on growing wealth. If it doesn't add value, I trim it, no questions asked. But here's the real game changer, mapping your money's journey. Where does every dollar go? Income comes in, but then what? Subscriptions, bills, random splurges, every dollar should have a job. No dead ends, no black holes. Once I know my flow, I make it seamless. Automate bill payments, set up scheduled savings, consolidate accounts. My money moves smoothly. No more stressing over forgotten due dates or late fees. Now, let's talk about the pull system. I only use what I need, when I need it. No more hoarding cash in weird places or letting money sit idle. Just smart, timely moves that keep things lean and efficient. And hey, it's not a one and done thing. I'm always improving, checking my habits, canceling what doesn't serve me anymore. I replace wasteful spending with purpose. There's also this magic called just in time. Money lands right when I need it. Never too early, never too late. Bills get paid automatically, and I don't sweat the small stuff. But remember, respect for people starts with you. I'm the CEO of my own finances. That means investing in the right tools, learning new tricks, and trusting myself to make smart moves. And quality? It starts at the source. Set things up the right way from the beginning. It saves way more than just money. It saves peace of mind. At the end of the day, every dollar should work for me, my goals, my people, my dreams. That's customer focus. Your finances should serve you, not the other way around. If you're ready to finally automate, manage, and dominate your finances, book your free 30-minute session. Your legacy starts now.